channel. Today we're going to be making the most fluffiest, delicious blueberry muffins you guys have ever had. Alright, let's start. Let's start with our dry ingredients first. We're gonna add 2 cups of flour in a bowl. With that, we're going to add sugar, baking powder, and salt. Guys, just know that all these ingredients, their measurements, I have written them down in the description, so we'll just go check it out. That way you guys can make this amazing recipe. Alright, just give it a quick little whisk, make sure everything is nice and combined. Alright, everything is. Now we're gonna put this mixture aside, grab another bowl, and in that we're going to add our wet ingredients. So we're gonna start off with our oil. We're gonna add milk. We're gonna add eggs. And we're gonna add vanilla extract. Now we're just gonna make sure everything is nice and combined. Just whisk it with these eggs. Blueberry muffins is one of those recipes that can never go wrong. You can have it anytime. Anytime, they are the most that's the most perfect recipe that you can ever have. It's just good. It's delicious. Alright, okay. So this is well combined. Now we're going to add our wet mixture to our dry mixture. So for that, start by combining a little. Alright guys, so as you can see here, the mixture is fully combined. Alright guys, so at this time, my blueberries are mixed in. So we coated them in flour and we're just doing a folding technique. Now it's time to fill our cake tins. So this recipe will make about 12 muffins in total. So I like to just use a spoon, and I just have to put a spoonful of it in the thing, in the mold. Alright. Because these things rise with a lot. So yeah. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. So I always make this recipe. It's very good. My whole family likes it. Alright, I'll see you guys when my cake tins are nice and filled up. Guys, so at this time, I have filled all my cake tins. Cupcakes, muffins. Now we're just gonna give them a little pat down for the batter to spread out. Alright, now we're just gonna take some sugar and sprinkle it over them. This will give your muffins a good crust after they come out of the oven. Alright, I'll give them a very good crust, and also they will look beautiful. Alright, I'm done putting sugar on them. Now, alright, so preheat your ovens at 375 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And they will look they'll look very good. And if you guys want to check, you can insert a toothpick in your muffins, and if the toothpick comes out clean, they're ready.